Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add fans to Signal RGB. Before trying to connect your RGB fans to Signal RGB, the first thing you should check is whether your fan model is officially supported. Inside the Signal RGB website or app, head over to the Supported Devices section and look specifically under Fans or Cooling Devices. Make sure you check both the brand and the exact model number because compatibility can vary even within the same manufacturer. Some devices may also show notes saying additional setup is required, so read those instructions carefully before continuing. Once you confirm your fan is supported, open the Signal RGB app and go into Settings section. A useful option to enable is automatic closing of conflicting RGB programs since apps like Corsair IQ, Armory Crate, Mystic Light, or RGB Fusion can interfere with Signal RGB detecting your hardware properly. After disabling or closing conflict software and finishing any extra setup steps for your fan controller or hub, your fan should appear automatically in the Devices section of the app. From there, you can customize lighting effects, rename the device, enable or disable it, and manage its RGB settings directly through Signal RGB. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.